Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. This is a simple basic part. For this we need to take raw material size 100 by 88 and height is 12 plus 12 plus 46 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extrude, select the front plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions, hundred, and this is 24 plus 46. Extrude up to here we can select mid plane 88 mm. 88 plus 12, this is also 100 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, create two circles, give the dimensions, the diameter outer dia 40, inner dia 25 and height is 45 mm. This is 40, 25, height is 45. We need to give one more dimension. Select this and this, give the tangent constraint. Select line, finish sketch, select extrude, select this face first, reverse the direction, the thickness is 15 mm. Select scheme sketch again, extrude, select this circular part, here select overall length is 55 mm, 55. Here select offset, the offset dimension is 15 mm, reverse the offset, okay. Next select this surface, sketch, we can press Ctrl 8 for normal, create two circles, give the dimensions, it is the same dimension only, this length only 40 mm and thickness is 12 mm, overall length 52 mm. Give the tangent constraint. Create line, finish sketch, extrude, select this face, reverse the direction, give the dimension 12 mm. Okay, select same sketch, extrude, select only circular part. Here give the dimension 52 mm and give the dimension, give the offset dimension 12 mm, reverse the offset. Okay, next here one cutout is there, select this surface, sketch, the cutout dimension is 12 plus 12 and 50 mm depth. Create, we can create center rectangle also. Give the dimension from the top 12 mm. Okay, finish sketch, select extruded cut, the depth is 50 mm. Next there is a fillet. The fillet dimension is not here, we can give 20 mm fillet. Next there is a 2 holes, for that select this surface, sketch, the dimension is diameter 15, pitch is 20 mm from the both side, from the side dimensions, and pitch is 60 mm. So select this surface, select here, no need to select the surface, select hole wizard, the hole diameter is 15 mm. Okay, go to positions, select this surface, place the holes. Here we can select this arc because this is also R20, so we can get the 20 mm dimensions. See, sketch is fully defined, we no need to give dimension again. So assign material, in this part I will go with aluminium 6061 or 5052 also, we can give 4032 also. Edit appearances, assign some different color here, and also we can give some different color inside this pocket and hole. Here select features, select here holes and cut. Next select the faces, select this face and this face. So that's it friends, I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, we'll see you in the next session.